That is amazing. Shooting through your arm, quite literally. Oh, don't move, don't move. That is amazing. Hold on, let me see if I can step into it. Oh no, he's going for me probably. That's probably why he's not shooting you. No, he's getting you. And now he's getting me as well. Owned.